The outgoing X3 was BMW's bestseller, with 350,000 units delivered in 2023. Despite being debuting in 2017, the luxury crossover was still more popular than the newer 3 Series sedan. The exterior design is a clear evolution of the current model's lines, though the front end appears to be slightly longer and the grille sits slightly higher. The vehicle sticks with gas engines, though a separate electric variant serving as a replacement for the current iX3 sold overseas is due next year. It will ride on BMW's Neue Klasse dedicated EV platform and feature styling distinct to the gas-powered X3s. The gas-powered X3 will use an updated version of the current generation's CLAR platform, which means rear-wheel drive with the option of all-wheel drive. It will have a wider track, and rigidity of the chassis and body will both be increased. Look for 2.0-liter Turbo 4 and turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engines, in both cases with an 8-speed automatic transmission and mild hybrid technology as standard. Plug-in hybrid power will also be offered, possibly in the next X3M. Production should be handled at BMW Group's plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina, where the current X3 is built. The electric variant on the Neue Klasse platform is confirmed by BMW for production at a new plant in Debrecen, Hungary. Technologies such as electronically controlled dampers, an automated parking system, and various other electronic driver assist systems will be included, either as standard or available, BMW has confirmed.